Hello friends, welcome to Sumit Engineering Works. Today we will see a coil winding counter system. In the industries, there are many types of motor. Each motor has a different winding, different size and gauge. These windings are made by separate coils. So we can say winding is a combination of some numbers of coils. To make that coil, there are some systems available in the market. Some are manual, some are semi-automatic and some are fully automatic systems. Today we will see a semi-automatic coil counter system. So here is the coil winding counter. In this counter there are some functions like motor run, here it is, the motor brake, forward, reverse, set count, live count, start stop function, and the last is the speed controller. So here the plus is for increment the set count and minus is to decrement the set count. The reset button is used to reset the live counter to 0 and the start button is to start the function, which is same as the start stop button. By rotating the knob, you can change the speed of the system as per your requirement. Now let's see the actual coil counter system. So here is the coil counter system with the sensor and the motor. The function of this sensor is to count the rotation of this motor, so we can find the coil turns from that. So here we switch on the power. The motor is set to forward direction and some turns are already set. Let's decrease it to 1000 by pressing minus. When we press the start button, the motor run function will be activated and motor start running. We can change the speed by this knob. As we increase the speed, the counter will count as fast as it can. When it reaches at set counts, it will immediately stop the motor by applying the brakes. Let's set it to 90 to check the braking function. As you see, when the live count reach at set count, motor run function deactivate and brake function activate. Normally, this motor is used to make coil with very thin gauge wire. For heavy gauge wire, we provide a gear motor for that. You can use this motor for heavy wire, which requires low speed and high torque.